Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to report a problem with your order on Domino's Pizza. Well, first of all, you need to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or if you do not have the profile, of course, you can go and register and create one. Now guys, that we got this out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So as you can see here, we have the Domino's Pizza application where we have your current location and the Order Now button. In the top left corner, we have the Order Now button again, the pizza tracker, we have the profile, legal notice, we have data privacy, terms and conditions, and Domino's more. Now, let's see how you can actually guys go and report a problem with your order on Domino's Pizza. Well, to do so guys, you can go to the top left corner and click here. And out of all of these options, you need to go and click on legal notice, which is the fourth option going from the top to the bottom. So the fourth option, click on legal notice. And here guys, you can see that you have their email address, which is Domino's dot your country where you have put that you have your application. Now click there, and there you can go and report them your problem. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us guys grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will mean the world to us if you can do this. Now guys, that will be, as I said, everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.